Oh, yeah, we do got some panic in the market right now.
Forget Harvard.
All right.
You can still manage other people's capital without an Ivy League degree. The prop firm model.
Mute this. Man, we gotta trust each other sometimes, you guys. What's up, y'all? TK Profit Takers. I'm hopping on to do a quick chart session. We hop on at the top of every week. Look at these charts, figure out what we believe is going on. Now, we talked about this drop. We talked about this drop in XRP. I predicted this drop. I'm getting money on this sale. But sometimes we fall into that news and we miss out on what's right in front of us, man. So this will be the first thing to take a look at XRP. Oh man. So patterns stay the same. And no matter whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading stocks, options, forex, it's all the same thing. These patterns stay the same. So one thing I noticed at these highs, when price is going to continue an uptrend, it normally creates higher highs. This thing stopped creating higher highs and started creating lower highs. Not only that, right here in this area, it created what traders call range. Let me go back. That area was broke right here. So as soon as price pulled back to retest it, I understand that's where you look for sales moving in the opposite direction. Okay? It's a pattern that always stays the same. So what happened? It did what it was supposed to do. It failed. Now it had multiple levels. This is what the news doesn't tell you when it's telling you to buy something. That's why we got to be careful jumping into things just because they're high. What the news doesn't tell you is that traders use areas where price gives these multiple tests, and they place their money underneath those areas. So you see me drawing lines. I'm identifying those areas, and that was one of them. So I sold this thing to catch this move from no simple things. So it is a reason to panic because everybody got in up here. And to be honest, when it pulls back to 280, if it does not break above this 280, 290 mark, it's going to fall again and break this low. Okay? Because with all of these rejections right here, it looks like it's going to hold as support right there. With all of those rejections, if it uses that area as support on Ripple tonight, I guarantee you, this is what's going to be the fight. It's going to come back and take those levels out if it does not break back above that $293 mark. And when you have a platform where you can sell the coin and not just buy it, it's okay. There's really no need to panic. It's only on the end where you're just buying and holding these coins, only using these wallets, and you don't understand where to enter what price. Yeah, that was a swift move too. Swift move. So let's see. I actually clicked this buy button on y'all. Down here low, so I'm gonna actually hold this position to see how this thing turns out. And I give you guys an update to let you know. I'll actually post it on my page. So it was moving a little faster than I intended. I didn't get inside that zone. But if it holds, that's what we're looking at right here on XRP. My target is this level right here in between 280 and 290. everybody that got in a little lower with this coin, you should be okay. So let's see what we got as far as the news this week. So outside of these crazy moves with crypto, we got Euro Monday, Euro USD and AUD Tuesday. So we'll take a look at those pairs in the market. Oh damn, look at that. We're gonna let that buy that we just put in run. Hood coin. What the fuck? Yeah, we'll take a look at it. Hood coin. Why would they do that? Yeah, we'll go ahead and get that one out the way. So I'm gonna let this buy that we just placed on XRP run. Right now we're in profit, so that's cool. I'll put an alert, let me know if it gets back any closer to that entry. Hood coin. Where y'all finding these meme coins, man? Okay. This doesn't look like a good place to buy in on this thing. So this is pretty much the same thing that happened with Ripple, okay? Something pulled back to retest all-time highs, or well, close to that level, or broke above it. And we're looking for buys. Those are not the place to... Hell yeah, it's gonna pull back. These are not the places to look for buys, okay? So this is where we got this solid candle close. Now, another mistake that a lot of traders make is that we forget these wicks. This is definitely possible for price to retest this wick or break above it before you get this rejection. But just looking at price, I don't know the news on this thing, but you don't always have to know the news when you understand patterns. And that's what I was telling people about XRP. They was cussing me out. You don't know what the hell you're talking about. It's about to go to the moon, and that's beautiful. I'm not saying that it's not going to go above $3. All I'm saying is you have structural levels that are normally retested before things like that happen. That's it. I'm just looking at it from the analytical side only. So right here, this was a structural level that hasn't been retested after it broke. Same thing here. I know y'all see that gap right there too. That gap has to be filled. So it's a couple different things that has to happen, and it very well may run to the upside. Let's see. Even this area right here that was tested, that was broke. That hasn't been tested either. So this thing, the way you play this is, because this stuff is all manipulated heavily. You can be patient and wait to see how price responds to this level by waiting for this break above if it happens. And if you get support within this retest, you can see a run to those highs, or maybe a higher high being created before you see that fall. Okay? The other thing that you have to pay attention to is if you get a hard rejection after it enters this zone. If it starts to create consolidation here and give you the break here, you'll either see this area tested or this area tested before you get that break. So those are the two opportunities. And the reason I would be looking at either this area or the one below is because of all of these retests at the lows. When you see that, you have liquidity being formed underneath that area. That's exactly why I took that sell on XRP, okay? it was a lot of money underneath that area. Let me go to the 4 hour. Look at all of these. Ooh, that thing taking off. So y'all seeing me place these trade setups live too. Get out of here. Okay. So same thing. All of these lows. When I see that, I just identify with my arrow and I trade to see those levels being broken so I can enter underneath. And I normally have really good risk reward ratios on the trade setups just by getting in at the lowest point. So from that high down to that level, that's a 1 to 21 sale. And I had a few people telling me that it wouldn't drop below $3. I had a friend that betted me $1,000. And I told him, hey, I'm already in this trade. Just trust me. I told him no, and I know he's glad I did. But back to that other coin. What was it? Let's see what's up at those highs. So on the daily, it tapped out at $70. See if we can find a solid candle close at those highs on a smaller time frame. Nope. Damn, that was a quick movement. Yeah, no, okay, so that was a really impulsive move. But what we got right here on the 30-minute, oh, that's a double top that was already retested. Yeah, so if we do get a break above that level, it will continue that uptrend to go above, what is this, 75 to retest those highs. Oh, God. All right, cool. Yep, so, it just filled a gap right there too. So the safest thing to do, like I said, is we want to wait, place your alerts below and above right here where price is consolidating right now. When this 200-day EMA catches up, that's when you'll really get a true picture. It's either going to respect it and continue higher, or it's going to break it. And that's going to determine what move you should make as far as this thing. But right now, with it being in consolidation and also being inside this key level, that's all you can do is be patient and wait. Oh, damn. What happened? Okay. So I was actually looking for a buy from this area. And price opened, the market opened and gapped down. I did not get an alert on this thing. No, I didn't set an alert on it. That's what it was. That's on me. All right, I'll take that. So it dropped down in my buy area. I completely missed it. Now this thing is like halfway to my target. That's okay. Let's see what's going on. Right where we broke above this 200-day EMA, there's a good chance we can see a pullback right here. And this is a learning lesson really for everybody that finds a good trade setup and you feel like you miss your trade setup. It's not time to rush back into it or get overly excited. You got to be patient and let it come back. So looking right here, we got a break of this trend line. In most cases, price will pull back to retest it before it continues. We also got price at these highs right here. So with this being a euro pair, we'll wait to see what happens on during the London session. Go ahead and just identify this area with a rectangle, and we're going to use our alerts again. Cool. Still a good trade setup. Set this alert so we'll watch this during London, because it did confirm that that area is going to be support, or is working as support, not going to be. It worked as support, so we'll just wait till we get that pullback, and that's the play on Euro AUD. Let's get some targets. Okay. TP want to be right here at these highs. All right, we got our alert set. Let me put an alert at the stop loss. And now wait to see if our trade setup is actually activated before I put my alert at TP1, because this thing could very well break above it a little bit before that pullback happens. So let's just be patient and wait. This will normally be executed during London. What's going on with EuroCAD? Okay, so we were looking for this weekly zone to be retested on EuroCAD. So pretty much a break above these highs will give us an uptrend. Let's see what happened. Okay. So we got those rejections right here at the highs. All of these rejections, again, people are using it as support, placing their stop losses above it. So we want to see if we can find some stability somewhere within this candle so we can take this buy to break above this level and go towards this weekly zone. That's pretty cool. Oh, damn. Man, that market open was crazy. Oh, man, that was a beautiful spot. All right, we'll have to find another one. That just happened, too. All right, 9 o'clock. Let's see if we can get a pull back towards this level. This thing really gave us a inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. Okay, now this is a 15-minute time frame. Normally when we see those patterns being formed in the market, price will typically pull back to retest the right shoulder. So on the higher time frames it did retest. On this one it didn't. So let's see. Same thing, I'm gonna set an alert that lets me know once price reaches this level. I'll be looking to enter around this zone. My stop loss will have to be beneath these lows. My runner target is up here in this weekly zone. I'll monitor these positions as we go, but that's what we're looking at on EuroCAD. Yeah, it needs to break above these highs. So this is what I want to see. We got this other high right here as well. I want to see if we're going to break above these highs where we are right now and get that pullback by London to give us another flag pattern. Okay, so we got 2 setups for the week. Well, I think 3. That Ripple. How is Ripple? How is our Ripple buy doing? Damn. That's some quick money, y'all. That is some quick money we just made on Ripple. It's already almost a 1-3. It's cool. So we also took this Euro Pound sell, and this was our TP3. As soon as it hit TP3, price rejected immediately. What I want to see is what happens again in this area during London. We could only pull up to get maybe a 50% pullback of this gap and a continuation in this downtrend. So I'm actually going to leave the positions that I have open on this trade running. Oh, okay. So pretty much the same thing with Euro JPY. Got another gap here. We were also looking at this level as the last target. I actually missed this trade setup. Perfect entry. This thing pulled back to wick our entry. But pretty much the same trade from XRP. The exact same setup. Price came up to the highs, created consolidation, and broke beneath that area. So I used it as a means of entry for a trade. Once price pulled back, that's why I was looking to enter that trade, and that's how it turned out, to break beneath these lows. So this is really key when you can, and here's the arrow. So I tell you guys, I use these arrows. I used it to identify that we had money underneath all of these lows, and what did price do? It dropped to go get it. So it's a common thing that happens. I'm telling you, I can show you this on any instrument. We just did crypto. We just did Forex. I can show it to you on options too. It's all the same. Okay. So we're gonna set an alert up here. We're waiting to see what happens when price pulls back towards this area. we're looking to see if we can get a continuation of this sale. Right here. That's all we're gonna look at, cause what else do we have? Euro USD. I think that's Tuesday. Damn. Now this one got me, y'all. On this one I took a lesson. I was looking to enter this sale at the highs. It created a higher high before doing the fall that I was looking for. It's all good. It's also a part of it. But same concept. Oh shit, the mic almost took me out. I'm gonna look for this gap to be filled and look to see if I can get a continuation on this trade as well, of this downtrend. All right, cool. So that'll be it, man. That damn XRP trade was amazing. That was a big win real quick too, man. Win. All right, so that's my target. Appreciate you guys for hopping on. We get on at the top of every week, Sunday, Wednesday, to do analytics. Pretty much find out what the liquidity is in the market so we can identify trade setups. Then throughout the week, I hop on live and I execute these trades. That way you guys will be able to go live with me and get active. Make money when you see me making money. Okay? So to take advantage of that, you can head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. I show you how to set up your demo account and your live account for free, so you can trade with me for free. We also give you the free trial to our mindset series, Structure Breaking, because this is the real key. No matter how well you learn how to trade, if you do not align your mindset and understand the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, you will always run into hardship into this market. So this is the glue of the company. You also got to be more intentional with your words. Too many traders take a loss and they bash themselves, okay? They speak really negative about their feelings and their outcome. So you have to be mindful of that so you can control yourself. We also got a few books available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. That covers most of the concepts you see me use in our charting sessions and in my live sessions to find these trade setups. We also got log books so you can track your trades and your emotional state in the process. These things are key, man. All right. So we got merch as well. And if you guys want to join us, you can add that beginner bundle or upgrade to that tier 2. But as always, remember, you're one trade away from living. One fight to stay the same.